I'm Marcia.
And I'm V, and here are your morning announcements. PTO used book drive starts today. Keep track of your class totals on the Google Sheet found in MyISHCMC. Proceeds will go to Library of Love. 2016 Grade 10 Personal Project Charity. Students will receive a free book voucher for every 5 books they donate and can compete to win a class pizza party, ice cream, sundae party, or chocolate cake party. There will be a primary school bookmark design contest again this year.
April is Poetry Month. Spot the Poem event will today till the 13th. Each day of the week, a new poem will appear on the school grounds. On Fridays, any class that has recorded the location, titles, and author of all 5 of the week's poems will eligible to receive a class prize. Details can be found on MyISHCMC.
Lunchtime changes starting today from 12:20 to 12:40. KG to grade 2 will eat. Grade 2 classes will eat at the rectangular tables. 12:45 to 1:05 p.m. Grade 3 to Studio 5 will eat. Grade 3 will eat at the circle tables.
Bedtime Stories taking place tonight at 5:30 to 6:45 p.m.
ISHCMC is looking into gradually changes or school uniform over the coming school years for all grades. Your input is very valuable to use, and we hope you will fill in the questionnaire found on MyISHCMC. We would appreciate your input not only on design but also functionality upgrades.
Earth Day is on April 22nd, and the theme this year is End Plastic Pollution. Check out MyISHCMC to see the activities you and your class can do on Earth Day.
Chess tournament is continuing now in the library during break times. Take part and move your name up the ladder.
This is a reminder to bring your recycled paper to Cady.
Makerspace is open to grade 1, 2, and 3s today at morning recess. Remember to bring in bottles and plastic for the plastic bricking project.
Joke of the day. What do you call a baby potato?
What?
A tater tot.
Random fact of the day. It takes 6 minutes to make a marshmallow peep.
The mindfulness quote of the day is, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Jim Rohn.
That's it for today's morning announcements. Have a magnificent Easter Monday.